Hello dear friends, how are you? Hope you all right. So today I'm going to show you showing about the installation of Zorin OS latest 15 point Linux. So I have already make a bootable drive. So I'm going to plug in the USB port and power on, and after the powering on press F12 or F10. So after pressing the F12 command, so select the USB device drive and click enter, and after this you have three options: try or install Zorin OS, try or install Zorin OS safe graphics. So if you are using a graphic version, if you graphic card, so you choose the second option. So I don't have a graphic card, so that's why I choose the first one. So wait for the booting. So you have two options. The first one is try Zorin OS without installation, and the second one is Zorin OS. So I'm going to select the second one, click on that, and keyboard layout, select the language, so English US, click on continue, and here is the Wi-Fi select. So in this time I don't have a Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so simply I don't want to connect to Wi-Fi right now. Click on continue. So if you have an internet option, then select both of option and continue. It will help to download the latest driver and graphic driver during the installation, and wait for that. So here is the first one is install Zorin OS along them, and the second one is erase disk and install Zorin OS. It will erase whole drive for the previous operating system and install the new one. So I'm going to the last one, something else, and click continue. And after this, so I'm gonna select the first TV SATA one and remove, and this is my first drive. So remove, and here's the free space is 120 gigabyte SSD. I'm using SSD, and the second one is and third one is HDD. So simply click on the plus icon and choose the space. So I'm using completely whole drive for the Linux. So the type of the new partition is primary, and location for new drive partition beginning for the space, and use as ext for journalizing file system, and the last one is mount option. So simply click and choose the first one for the booting option, click OK, and after this select this one and install now, and click on the continue and select your country. So I'm selecting my country is Pakistan and click continue, and here is who are you. Please type your details. So your name, JC Software Solution, and the password is and click on continue, and here is copying file. So wait for the installation around about 10 to 15 minutes, the whole installation process. Almost finishing copying file, and next thing is installing system. So the event installation complete, and just simply click on restart now. And remove the installation media from your PC. So here I can remove the installation media, and then click simply enter, then reboot. So give your user password, and enjoying the Zorin latest operating system. Zorin operating system for those user who using the previous Windows, so it is much more related to Windows. So dear friends, I'm gonna click on the start, go to setting and appearance, Zorin appearance. Click on the Zorin appearance. So here is the three options. First one is like this, and the second one is like this, and the third one is like Mac. I'm gonna minimize them and click on start. So here is, so if you install on your PC Zorin OS Ultimate, so it is much more option for the user. So the Zorin Ultimate version is paid version, so that's why I choose simply free version. So here is, you can see. So dear friends, hope you like this video. It is the simplest and easiest way to install Linux on any PC, laptop. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.